In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Wise to Upwork. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Upwork on your device. Now make sure you're signed in to your account. You can do this using your browser or the Upwork application. Now on your page, go ahead and head over to your profile icon. You can find this at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the account settings and this will take you to the account settings page. Now on the side navigation bar, you will be able to find Get Paid under profile settings. So click on Get Paid and this will take you to the payment section. In here, go ahead and scroll down and you'll find withdrawal methods. Click on Add a Method to be able to add Wise as a withdrawal method on Upwork. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and click on Direct to US Bank. Click on the Setup button beside the Direct to US Bank. Now in here, you will be able to find all the informations that you need to provide to be able to add a US bank on your Upwork, such as your account type, routing number, account number, and confirming your account number. Now once you have this all filled up, go ahead and click on the Add Bank Account button. Now once you have this added to your account, this payment method will become active after 3 days. And that's how you can simply link your Wise account to your Upwork account. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.